Once the old countertops have been removed, the new material can be cut to fit the cabinet footprint. We're using a cross-cut guide to guarantee square cuts in the butcher block material. Next, dry fit the large pieces on the cabinets to check the fit before applying the sink template to draw out the cutout for that fixture. We need a seam on this long counter, so we're positioning it behind the sink, where it's less noticeable. Once the cutout for the sink is made, it's a good idea to dry fit it before sanding the countertops. This butcher block is already pretty smooth, so we'll start out with 220 grit paper and work up to 400 grit. Next, we apply the finish. This finish is a modified tung oil product that is applied with pads and soaks into the wood to protect it. You'll want to apply 2 or 3 coats, sanding between coats if necessary. To simplify installation of the countertops, we're adding triangular corner blocks inside the cabinets. After we apply adhesive to the top of the cabinets and set the counter in place, we can drive short screws up through these corner blocks to finalize the installation of the new butcher block. In this case, we're using the same material to create a short backsplash. This piece is simply glued in place with construction adhesive to complete the installation.